Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. All right, this is not typically what you'll see on my turntable, but this is one cool Jeep. It's a 76 CJ7. It's been body off the frame restored. I just love everything they did with it. This thing just grabbed me when I seen it. It's a metal body. It's got the bikini top, the soft doors, and again, fresh frame off restoration. It's show quality ready. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you find the price tags on all of the collector cars that we do offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down, doors are off. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I don't know much about Jeeps. Again, I know quality and I know good eye appeal. And this thing is pretty darn cool in my opinion. So it was off the frame for restoration. It's a Southern Jeep, so the metal looks really clean. The floor pans underneath here are nice, clean metal, painted like a semi-gloss black. The whole chassis was taken apart. The frame is painted, and all new suspension. It's got a Skyjacker lift kit on it. I don't know if it's a 4-inch lift, something like that. So all new leaf springs, the Skyjacker shocks. Up front, the steering stabilizer has been upgraded. The front end components, all completely new. Even the nuts and bolts, everything in this front end looks brand new, like not even dusty yet. It's got polyurethane bushings. You can see the exhaust is just tucked up right under here. It's got some nice chrome side pipes. You'll hear it run towards the end of the video. It's got a new skid plate over the transmission. It's fresh. You look up at the motor, the freeze plugs, the bolt on the drain plug on the oil pan, the motor mounts, all that looks brand new. The transmission is the manual 3-speed that it would have come with. It's got chrome covers on the front and rear differentials. What else can I tell you about the underneath? The brake system's been completely redone. Disc in front, new emergency brake cable system. Of course, the brake lines and all that sort of stuff is all new. So the body mount bushings, everything under there is new. Now the body, like I said, it's a clean Southern Jeep. It is all metal. It's not a fiberglass tub. And it's straight, nice, real nice fitting. No issues, no rust, no blisters, no damage. It does have, in our pictures, the top is right here. It folds up nicely. It's on this bar. It's just like a bikini top, just for shade. And it does have the soft doors, which pop right on there. And it's all stored right here, right now behind the seat. The doors are new. So it's got the big tires and wheels on it. You can see it's got this big old spare, big heavy-duty bumpers front and back, big steel bumpers, and they're sprayed in like a chip guard or rhino lining type of deal. New chrome tail lights, new marker lights. Has these nice fender flares. A rocker molding trim here. It's got some step plates. Any of the chrome hardware is new. This might even be stainless right here. The mirrors are new. The glass is crystal clear. The gasket's real soft. The hinges, the cowl plate, those are new stainless. I like the Renegade. I like the little green accent in the suspension right here, around the wheels. You got the chrome or stainless handles here. Latches, I should say. The chrome grille, new lenses. You got this big old jack. A winch that's brand new. I really don't think it's ever been used. The cable looks brand new. The handle for the winch is in the center console. Again, big heavy-duty bumper here. Got a nice scoop on the hood. The tires and wheels are new. They're 15-inch Mickey Thompson wheels. They're polished beautifully. Even feels slick. Has the green pinstripe, chrome center hubs, and the big old tires on here. They're 15-inch rim, and the actual size is 35 by 1250 R15. So yeah, the outside is pretty darn cool. We'll stop it. We're going to open the hood and talk more about that and the interior. All right, so we do have this nice big old roll bar, all fresh padding on it. It is completely carpeted inside, the floor, everything. It does appear to be some sort of like indoor-outdoor carpet. Not that you're going to leave it out in the rain, but if it did get wet, I wouldn't worry much about it. The back seat is the only thing they did not do on this truck. I mean, it's okay, but there are little tears. It's showing its age. And up on top, there's some little marks in it. I noticed they do have seat belts. But yeah, reupholstering the back seat to match the front, to me, seems like the only unfinished business. And again, completely carpeted. You got a really nice dash pad here, padded dash with the white stitching. It's a little touch of class. The visors are not new, but they're good. The dash is real nice. The metal's all painted, and all the knobs and gauges, everything is very neat and tidy. It does have a 12-volt receptacle with the built-in chargers for your phone. It's got the grab bar here, little glove box. Down on the floor, the handle and the boot for the four-wheel drive. It's right here. You got some more green accents on the 3-speed shifter. Now the seats, they're nice, firm, nice, very cool seats. You got a nice center console, cup holders, big storage compartment. Here's the handle for the winch up front. I did poke my nose under the dash. It does have an upgraded fuse block with the push-in fuses. Nice cushion grip steering wheel underneath the wrapper there. This seat does flip forward so you can get in the back. It does have retractable seat belts. So yeah, pretty cool interior. This will be lots of fun on a nice day. Now, the engine is actually a 360 V8. This was born with a 304 V8, this one here, according to the VIN number, so they did upgrade it with a 360. And again, it is fresh. Doesn't even look like it's been driven much yet. So you got an aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor, electric choke. It's a billet HEI distributor, green wires, green filter, chrome air cleaner, and valve covers. It's got a set of coated headers, Headman headers it looks like. Yes, they are. Battery tray looks like it's new, stainless steel. The firewall's painted up real nice. If you look down here towards the front of the motor, the relay's new, the alternator's new, the water pump, the belts, the pulleys, the bolts all look new. Has an aluminum radiator with the dual electric fans to keep it cool. Let's go around to the other side. There's two very important features there. This has power steering, which is new, still has the sticker on the other side, and it has a power brake system. So power steering and brakes with the 360 V8 motor, show quality. And there you have it. It looks like under the hood is actually cut out, so that scoop, you could consider it to be functional. It's going to let fresh, cool air right into the engine. So I told you I'm not a Jeep expert, so I was doing my homework. This is the CJ7, which is longer than the earlier CJs. And it's got a bigger door opening and more of a squared off instead of the rounded door. So this is going to ride a little better because there's a longer wheelbase. And again, this is just cool. You don't need to know about Jeeps to appreciate this thing. Everything about it's just really, really cool. I love all the features they've added, and the quality is there. Someone spent a lot of money building this Jeep, and then they didn't even use it. I don't think there's a couple hundred miles on it, to be honest with you. So there you have it. Fun in the sun. If the sun ever comes out around here, it's been a pretty slow start to summer, but here you go. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman, because I just gave my impression. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you ask them. They'll help you the best they can. They can get this delivered anywhere in the world. They can help you get it financed. That's at volocars.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.